In this video, I'm going to discuss the most important questions about theory of linkage which comes in different competitive exams of biology। लिहाजा आपने इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट से लेकर एंड तक पूरा देखना है ताकि ये क्वेश्चंस आपको अच्छी तरह तैयार हो जाएं। तो चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो। Question number 1. Who coined the term linkage for the first time? Correns, Mendel, Morgan, De Vries. So correct answer is option C. Morgan for the first time introduces the term linkage. Question number 2. Mendel did not observe linkage due to mutation, synapses, crossing over, independent assortment. So correct answer is option D. Mendel did not observe linkage phenomenon due to presence of independent assortment. Actually, the characters that Mendel studied that were present on two different chromosomes, that's why there was no chance of linkage. Question number 3. The phenomenon of linkage was first observed in the plant Lathyrus odoratus, Pisum sativum, Datura, Mirabilis jalapa. So correct answer is option A. The phenomenon of linkage was first observed in Lathyrus odoratus, which is also known as sweet pea. Question number 4. Linkage prevents the following phenomenon: homozygous condition, segregation of allele, prevention of hybrid formation, prevention of heterozygous condition. So correct answer is option B. Linkage prevents the segregation of alleles from each other. Question number 5. Pairing of homologous chromosomes is called coupling, repulsion, linkage, crossing over. So correct answer is option A. The pairing of homologous chromosomes is known as coupling. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आप इस चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को लाजमी प्रेस करें ताकि इस तरह की लेटेस्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको आगे भी मिलता रहे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Adjacent non-sister chromatid remains in contact at certain points. These points are called locus, chiasmata, linkage, coupling. So correct answer is option B. Adjacent non-sister chromatids remains in contact with each other at certain points. These points are known as chiasmata. Question number 7. Genes located on the same chromosomes do not separate independently because of crossing over, linkage, mutation, factor interaction. So correct answer is option B. Genes that are located on the same chromosomes, they do not separate independently because they are linked with each other. Question number 8. Recombination of linked genes is accomplished by linkage, epistasis, mutation, crossing over. So correct answer is option D. Recombination of linked genes is accomplished by the process of crossing over. Question number 9. The scientist who discovered that coupling and repulsion is Batson, Mendel, Morgan, Punnett. So correct answer is option C. Morgan discovered that coupling and repulsions are two processes that are present in a linkage. Question 10. Linkage is usually complete, incomplete, intermediate, full. So correct answer is option B. Linkage is usually incomplete because linkage cannot completely occur due to presence of crossing over, and this crossing over occurs at the point of chiasmata. So the two chromosomes cannot remain attached with each other for long time. Question number 11. Coupling and repulsion are two aspects of same phenomenon called linkage, crossing over, evolution, variation. So correct answer is option A. Coupling and repulsion are two aspects of the same process that is known as linkage. Question number 12. When two different genes comes from same parent, they tend to remain together. It is called linkage, epistasis, mutation, crossing over. So correct answer is option A. When two different genes that are comes from the same parent, when they remains together, it is known as linkage phenomenon. Question number 13. Linkage in maize was first reported by Batson, Morgan, Hutchinson, Synod. So correct answer is option C. Hutchinson was the scientist who reported the linkage in maize for the first time. Question 14. Coupling and repulsion are experiments experimented on fruit fly by Batson, Morgan, Punnett, Synod. So correct answer is option B. Coupling and repulsion were the experiments that are performed on fruit fly Drosophila melanogaster by Morgan. Question 15. Linkage usually gets broken due to mutation, crossing over, epistasis, variation. So correct answer is option B. Linkage usually gets broken due to presence of crossing over. Question 16. Genes located on the same chromosomes that are inherited together are known as complementary gene, supplementary genes, mutant genes, linked genes. So correct answer is option D. The genes that are located on the same chromosomes when they are inherited together, they are known as linked genes. Question 17. The tendency of two different genes to remain apart if they come from two different parents is coupling, repulsion, linkage, crossing over. So correct answer is option B. The tendency of two different genes that are remains attached with each other but they comes from two different parents, then they will start repel each other. So this phenomenon is known as repulsion. Question 18. Complete linkage has been reported in maize, human female, male Drosophila, female Drosophila. So correct answer is option C. Complete linkage was first of all reported in male Drosophila. Question 19. Linkage prevents the following phenomenon: homozygous condition, segregation of allele, hybrid formation, heterozygous condition. So correct answer is option B. Linkage prevents the phenomenon of segregation of allele. Similarly, it also prevents the formation of hybrids. Question number 20. Linkage as the distance between the two genes. Linkage decreases as the distance between two genes decreases. Linkage remains unaffected as the distance between the genes decreases. Linkage decreases as the distance between the two genes increases. Linkage increases as the distance between the two genes increases. So correct answer is option C. Linkage decreases as the distance between the two genes increases. Question 21. In Drosophila male there is complete linkage. What is the reason behind this coupling theory? Genes are very closely located. There is no synapses. Unknown reason. So correct answer is option C. There is no synapses in case of male Drosophila. That's why there is complete linkage occur. Question 22. Linkage results in formation of more dominant phenotype, formation of more wild phenotype, formation of more parental phenotype, formation of more recombinant phenotype. So correct answer is option C. Linkage results in formation of more parental phenotypes. Question 23. Recombination occurs in single strand stage, two strand stage, three strand stage, four strand stage. So correct answer is option D. Recombinations occurs at four strand stage. They can also occur at two strand stage, but the result will be the same as like the in absence of recombination. So recombination must be occurs at four strand stage. Question 24. If two genes are unlinked, the recombination frequency will be 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%. So correct answer is option B. If two genes are unlinked, it means they will assault independently in equal chances. So there will be 50% chances of recombination and 50% chances of parental phenotype. So correct answer is option B. Question 25. Drosophila have four pairs of chromosomes. How many linkage groups are present in it? 4, 8, less than one pair, more than one pair. So correct answer is option A. Number of linkage group is equal to haploid number of chromosomes. As Drosophila have four pair of chromosomes, it means it have total 8 chromosomes. So haploid number of chromosomes will be 4. So the linkage group will also be 4. Question number 26. Chiasmata firstly seen in which stage? Zygotine stage, Pachytene stage, Diplotene stage, Liptotene stage. So correct answer is option C. Chiasmata was firstly seen in Diplotene stage, but always remember chiasmata formation started in Pachytene stage. Question 27. Theory of linkage was given by Beadle and Tatum, Watson and Crick, Morgan and Castell, Sutton and Boveri. So correct answer is option C. Morgan and Castell introduces the theory of linkage for the first time. Question 28. Number of linkage groups in maize is 10, 15, 20, 25. So correct answer is option A. Number of linkage group in case of maize is 10 because maize have total 20 chromosomes. So 2n is equal to 20 and haploid number is 10. So number of linkage must be 10. Question 29. Linkage decreases the frequency of dominant allele, recessive allele, hybrid, both A and B. So correct answer is option C. The linkage decreases the frequency of hybrid formation. Question 31. Linkage group in men are 46, 23, 22, 24. In case of men, 2n is equal to 46. So it's mean haploid number of chromosomes are 23. So linkage group must be 23. So the correct answer is option B. Question 32. Linkage group of sickle cell anemia, leukemia and albinism is present on chromosome number 10, 14, 12, 13. So correct answer is option B. The linkage group of sickle cell anemia, leukemia and albinism are present on chromosome number 4. Question 33. Gene linkage minimizes the chances of crossing over, segregation, recombination, assortment. So correct answer is option D. Gene linkage minimizes the chances of independent assortment. Question 34. If two genes A and B are linked gene, which of the following gametes shows the recombination? AB, small ab, capital A or small b, small ab. So correct answer is option A. Capital AB shows the recombination. Question 35. Linked genes assort randomly, can cross over and recombine, will segregate independently, they will co-segregate. So correct answer is option D. Linked genes will always co-segregate, means their segregation will occur at the same time. Question number 37. Genotype of colorless shrunken seed in maize is C capital C small, S capital S small, C small C small, S small S small, C capital C small, S small S small, C small C small, S capital S small. So correct answer is option B. Question 38. In maize, the genotype of colorless full seed is C capital C small, S capital S small, C small C small, S small S small, C capital C small, S small S small, C small C small, S capital S small. So correct answer is option D. Question 39. The ratio obtained by the Batson and Punnett when they test crossed second time between the blue long and red sweet in red round in sweet pea is 7 ratio 1 ratio 1 ratio 7, 1 ratio 1 ratio 1 ratio 1, 1 ratio 7 ratio 7 ratio 1, 9 ratio 3 ratio 3 ratio 1. So correct answer is option C. They obtained a ratio in sweet pea that was 1 ratio 7 ratio 7 ratio 1. तो ये थे मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस अबाउट लिंकेज। अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकन को भी लाजमी तौर पर प्रेस करें।